our 220 voltage barrel mixer. First off, the overall dimensions. Left and right, 57 inches. A depth of 43¼ inches. And a height 72 inches in its neutral stance. To open the main cover for the mixer, there will be 2 bolts that can be loosened, and by removing the cover, you can pour in your ingredients and then locking in the bolts to seal tight before mixing. Coming here will be the control box along with the lever that can be turned and will operate this mixer that can flip up or down. Coming to the side will be the transformer box along with the electrical information for this mixer. This mixer requires a 220 voltage power for operation. This barrel mixer is sitting on a rail beam that's sold by Cooler Depot, so please check out the item page for more information. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.